So hello friends and welcome back to another awesome video. In this video we are going to see that how we can make our face, means what do we say, we can do a magic using Python and make our face invisible. Really, it's pretty simple concept. I will explain you how does it works, but it looks very amazing. So let's see the demo how does it works. So let me run it. It takes a bit longer to run on my PC as my system configuration is low. It's old too. Okay, so I will just go side. Okay, so now I'll come. Oh, you can see how does it works. You can see it's making transparent. You can see that what do we say, that flower waste, and you can see also, you can see that, you can see this up one. It works very nice. Very simple concept is there, friends. No very big mess is there. It's very simple concept used here. In middle it's going, see, like this, it's flickering because of this headset I have plugged in, so it's being confused a bit. So it's really very easy. I will show you how does it works and the concept of it, that how does it works, how it's tracking our face, how it's making invisible. The concept is not that much complicated as you are thinking. I will show you how we can do it in a second. So my name is Abhinav Mishra and you are watching Abhicoder Creative Mind. So let's get started with today's video. Okay friends, so you can see here is our code. It's pretty simple. Okay, so I will express you how. First of all, what does happen here, whenever you seen that whenever when I came in front of camera, before that I left the camera blank, means when after that when it started, then I came in front of camera, you would have noticed, right? So what is happening here, it is taking the image of the background. Okay, in the starting some milliseconds, 30 milliseconds approx, it is taking 30 frames. Okay, means 30 frames we say as 30 times it is clicking the images of background to clarify. Okay, so it's taking the frame. Okay, so I am going back because of it will take a photo of my background, and here is the code in which whenever it detects my face, it will just remove that portion of my face and it will implement that frame which it has taken in the starting of the program. Okay, so what if I be in the screen as I am now here only in front of my camera? What happens if I run it and I don't go side? What will happen? So let's see the result. As I said, it will take the first frame. Okay, means first frame, 30 frames. So you can see what is going to happen now. Okay, see, you can see that face is still. You can see this face is still, but whenever I do new play, see the difference. Just see the difference. But when I am coming here, you can see again I am being appeared. See, like this. You can see. Okay, so what is happening here? As I said, it is first of all taking 30 frames in the starting. So it did the same, and when I started the program, it taken the first 30 frame in which I was in front of it. As I said, whenever it detects any face, any human face, so what it will do, it will simply just cut off that face area, this program, and implement that frame which it has taken in the starting. So it has taken this frame in the starting, which you can see here, this one, this frame. So whenever my face is being detected, you can see it is just removing, cutting off my area, and it is making it invisible. So we call it as invisible effect, which looks like an illustration, which is really very amazing. So let's see what is behind the code, and this was the very simple concept. Nothing like it is just cutting off our face and going back and giving any gamma rays etc to go. No, it's not possible. by that. That's 0. So how does it works? I have said you. So now let's look on the code. If you are not able to understand still, you can visit my blog, which is in the description below. So you can go down in the description and you can get the full textbook for free, in which you will be able to read how it works with step-by-step explanation. It may be in the starting of few days I would not be able to post the blog, but after some days I will post the blog. Okay, so now let's see the concept, how the code works. Okay, so you can see another function that whenever no face will be detected, it will print no face detected, and when the face will be detected, it will print face detected. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to open command prompt. Okay, and here you need to give a command pip install OpenCV Python. Okay, so this is one OpenCV Python. This is only the library we need. Okay, and we need a time module which is already installed with Python. So just we need a OpenCV module only. Okay, we have mainly used in our AI projects facial recognition using Jarvis. I haven't uploaded the video, but the video is coming soon. And we have created many systems also using this. So we will just install it. As it's installed on my PC, it will show requirements already satisfied. See, but if it's not, then you will just type it and hit enter key on your keyboard, and it will make it installed on your keyboard. Okay, so let's see how this magic is being done by our computer. So first of all, we need to import the module, which is CV2. OpenCV, we write it as CV2. Okay, and then we need to import time, as we need time also. So here video is equal to cv2.video capture 0. Here we are giving the camera value. Okay, the video capture any. So you can see 0 means the default. 0 is always default, and if you give 1, then it will try to take from external camera. Suppose you have 5 cameras in your okay, let's take 3 cameras connected, external cameras connected to your computer. Okay, and one already webcam is present in your computer. So whenever you want to use webcam, you will give 0, and if you want to use another cam, you will give 1. So it may take any camera. Okay, then you need to test which camera is it taking. Then for another camera will give 2, another camera will give 3, another camera will give 4. Okay, in that manner only it works. So video is nothing but the camera value which we are storing the webcam. Okay, and we are here we have taken the face detect variable. Okay, with a cv2.cascade classifier, hard cascade fontel default.xml file. So no need to worry, you need not to code, you can also get it on internet. This is a XML file which is very huge, more than 5,000 lines. So this is made by Intel Corporation for AI projects, etc. You can see. Okay, so what is it doing? You can just go in my description, and you can also get this hard cascade fontel file for free. Got it? Okay, so here what face detection is doing. Face detection detect.cv2.cascade classifier hard cascade fontel default.xml. So the cascade classifier is the classifier which you can see like this rectangle form is being formed here. Okay, whenever my face is being detected in red color, it's been detected. So that it is being done by the cascade fontel classifier only. This cascade fontel default is being cascade is being used. This is also called cascade file. Okay, this cascade file is being used by the cv2 module. Okay, then we give a time.sleep, which will make a delay. Okay, whenever you see when I start, it takes 3 seconds to start. Okay, it takes 3 seconds to start. After that the program starts. So what is happening here, that it's just giving 3 seconds to the camera to just rest. Okay, to just classify all this, initialize the program. Okay, then background we have taken as 0, background of variable we have taken as 0. Then for I in range 30 here we recognize as frame. Okay, 30 frame. So width comma background, okay, is equal to video.read. So you can see background we have taken 0. So this background will take the value of 30 frames. okay, it will take the value of 30 frames. So the background will be now video dot read, and it will go until it gets 30 frames of the image. Okay. After that, you can see it has taken the video dot read. Then we will define the function face detection. Will come here later. Face detection, what it is doing, the face detection frame. As you can see here, frame we have done here. Okay, let's keep it apart. I will see you later. First, let's come here. Then you will be able to understand. Okay, while true, red comma frame is equal to video dot read. This is the default one. Okay, video dot read. Okay, red comma frame is equal to video dot read, and here also you can see red comma background is equal to video dot read. Here background we are going to use with our invisible function. Okay, and here we are going to use frame with our face detection, which you are able to see my face. Okay, so after that, image org is equal to frame dot copy. So what it's going to do, it's going to copy the 30 frames which it has taken in the starting. Then it will start the invisible function. Okay, here it is the invisible function. I will talk about it. Okay, let's talk it about now. Okay, so face detection, it will show a window face detection too. So face detection is having faces is equal to faces face detect dot detect multiple scale. So if you type multiple scale function, one more function is there, detect scale, by which only one face will be recognizable only at one time. But if you give multi scale, so it can recognize many as much as faces it comes in front of the camera. Okay, then from which should it take the frame, it will means from which should it take the input. It will take the input from the camera. The camera value is being stored in the video, and the video value has been video dot read. Here you can see is stored in the frame. So frame is being used here. Okay, yes, frame. Oh, so frame is being used now. Faces is equal to, okay, we have done this. Here you can see this is 1.3, don't be confused, is the frame rate. Okay, then for x, y, e, w, h in faces, so this is the orientation of the face, any face. Okay, x, y scale and width and the height of the scale. So you can see whenever we move backwards, so the width and the height get decreased. When we come forward, width and the height gets increased. Okay, so that is only what we call x, y, w, z. Okay, in faces as we have given in detect multi-scale, this is the faces variable. If it comes in this, so what it will do, it will create cv2 dot rectangle, and what in which window do we need to give rectangle, in frame window. So frame, and then we will give here x, y, and then x plus w plus x plus y. This is nothing but x will means the size. Okay, the size of the rectangle could you can see it's adjusting. The rectangular of the rectangle is adjusting as I am moving my face backward, forward, right, left. So it's adjusting the size. Okay, so this is for the size only. So x plus w, x plus h, and this is our skin color. Okay, so this is sorry, really sorry, it's not our skin color, it's the red color. Okay, this is RGB value, is the red color, in which the data is stored for the red color, in which it creates a background about creates a line, red color line. Okay, with an opacity alpha. This is alpha value which we can tell 2. Okay, and then in faces dot save, then return 1. Okay, so now what is 1? So as you can see here, we have given if detect number, okay, is equal to 1, means here if it returns 1, then it will say face detected. Okay, and if no, then it will show face not detected. Simple. Now let's come to our main function of this topic, main highlight of this video, which is invisible function. It's also totally similar, totally same, just the last 2 lines are changed. Okay, so here instead of this if function we have used this. I will say you what it is. As we have given that frame will give means will detect our face. So here what is it given, if frame y is to y plus h, then comma and x is to x plus w, then background also the same one. Okay, what is happening actually, the background means which the frame we have taken. It will cut off our face and add implement that image here. So this is the simplest code. Yes, it's a bit complicated as I am also learning this OpenCV now. So I thought it's interesting. So I thought I should share it to you. Okay, however, all the functions are done. It's really very easy if you understand. So now you can see we have done here which faces which strings face detected, not detected. If one face is detected, then it will show face detected. If many faces is detected or one or zero face is detected, it will show no face detected. Okay, so now I am showing two windows as you see in the startup. First, which is the face detection, in which it shows the my real-time images, okay, real-time video of the face, and another which is invisible. So I created it cv2.imso. imso is the function which we use to show any output using cv2. And if we want to read anything, so we can give imread. That's also a function. Okay, so imso, and here is the title of the window. So its face detection is the title, and which variable do you need to first image org which we have copied. Okay, and here in the invisible window we will just simply frame. Okay, and we will not be able to end the program, so that's the reason why we added this k is equal to cv2.read key1. Okay, if one key is held for one time, so it will work. If k is equal to ord q, if q press and key is being pressed, then it will break. Okay, means the loop will be break and it will come out, and it will be video.release, destroy all window, and the program will stop. Okay, so this is how we use it. So now let's see another time that how it runs. Okay, it will run. As I said, I will just remove from it. Say all done. Okay, so now you can see, as it's very important to just be back. Okay, suppose I need cool background in my, then you can give a projector or anything or a carpet, and you can just make it hang like this, and whenever the camera starts you can remove, and whenever the face will be detected, it will give that colorful in your face. It will be interesting. Okay, so what I said, this is the face detection, as I said, which is the face recognition window. Okay, face detection window, and this is the invisible window. Okay, so as you can see here, it's showing face detected in the terminal, you can see, but if I hide my face, you can see no face detected. Now yes, face is detected. Okay, so this is how it works. As I said, this program will never end. If I press cross also, see, it will never end. Okay, so what is the here, I pressed q and it ended. Okay, so you can see it's running in background also. See, okay, but if I will press q, then it will end. See, that's the reason why we have given this last code here, which is these three lines are for that only, which whenever I press q key is breaking the loop and going in to the video.release cv2.restore all window, and our CPU gets relief of too much of AI. Okay, so you can see how easy it was. Yes, it's a bit complicated for me too, and you too, as I am also a beginner in this. And if you need more information about this, more detailed explanation about this, if you will be not able to understand from video, sometimes it's happened, then you can also go to my blog which is in the description, and you can also read my blog, which is really interesting, and many AI projects are also coming up. Many AI projects are also coming further. So the next video will be on the best video editor, and which video editor do I use to create my videos, which is really very great, and you will be shocked that it could give many features but at roughly cost. I will show you how in the next video. Till then, I hope that you liked our today's video. If the explanation of mine is not clear to you, you can visit our written blog which is in the description. You will get this cascade file in the description. You can download it from there. If you like this video, then please make sure to subscribe and like to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.